So, you want to know how to get a watermark like this? Well, you come to the right tutorial. By the way, ignore my bookmarks. I made them when I was like 6. But, so what you want to do is go to Panzoid. And you want to go to Apps, Clipmaker 2. Pick whatever one you want. I'm just going to pick this one. But actually, no, like that one. I'm just going to pick mine, but you can pick whatever one you want. So what you want to do is go to this little 3D box looking tab. And then put your name. Well, whatever you want your name to be, but for me, it would be J X and X and H. If you do not have like a 5-letter name, you can find many other presets. But yeah, that's really so. Yeah, and then once you have that, you can go over to download extreme quality. I like to do web.m because it's accepted more. And then, yeah, that's it. And then you just go into your downloads folder. Wait. And then after it finishes render, you want to click, download it. And then go into your downloads folder, import it to whatever thing you want. So, yeah, that's it.